That's a very valid question. See, the thing is that mapping our employees onto this is one step. Mapping our process projects onto Unveil is just the beginning of it. Now what happens? Let's take a simple IT project. We go through requirement gathering. We do the architecting the solution. We design the solution. We develop the solution. We test the solution. Now, in this process, somewhere we get a change request that this need to be slightly different than what we initially talked about, which is part of the process. It always happens. You get those changes, you apply those changes. What happens to the person who is testing? They don't get communicated with this change. They don't get communicated with what this change impacted in terms of functionality, what this change impacted in terms of design, so what they should be testing, because they are sitting outside. Okay. Now what happens? They are not testing that, and when the system is released, when the solution is released, you find those issues when it's either in UAT or in production. You find those issues in UAT and production, those become very expensive to actually go back and fix. If this testing team is, I've just taken one example of testing team. If this testing team is part of that social group, they get to know automatically what changes are coming up, and they align their test cases accordingly. What happens? They get those issues right up front, and you save a big time. Now this saving is what will what attracts CIOs to understand. What we have seen is a savings of about 12% in effort saving. What we have seen is when you get people come and go, right? So one of the team member leaves the organization. Now some new member comes in. For that new member to come up to speed, it takes 6 weeks, 8 weeks to become productive. First, to understand everything, to get hold of people, to understand everything, to get to know what exactly I am supposed to work on, to get to know if I am stuck, who to go to, because I don't know all the members. This provides that area.